This is just a quick video showing how to set a custom white balance on Fujifilm cameras. First, go into your white balance settings and choose one of the custom white balance spots. Press right to customize it, then point the camera at something neutral or gray, filling most of the frame. I usually either use a color checker passport or just a simple cheap gray card like this. The important thing is that the same light you'll actually be shooting in is hitting this gray card or whatever it is gray that you're setting your custom white balance to. So for example, if you'll be shooting in direct sunlight, don't hold the card in the shade while setting your white balance. So now just press the shutter to capture the reference image. One Fujifilm quirk is after capturing it, even though it says completed, you do actually have to press OK to confirm and save the white balance setting. It's easy to miss that step and accidentally not apply it. Also, if Fujifilm says the image is overexposed, even when it looks barely overexposed, that's kind of normal. If that happens, just slightly lower your exposure and try again. Another important Fujifilm specific thing, Fuji cameras can apply separate white balance shift or tint adjustments on top of your custom white balance. So if your image still looks too magenta or too green, even after setting the custom white balance correctly, just check that your white balance shift settings haven't been changed previously. Also, film simulations still affect the final look of the image, so even with accurate custom white balance, classic chrome, Provia, Acros, and other film simulations can still look a little different from each other. That's because film simulations are still applying their own color and contrast style afterward. If you want the most neutral starting point, Provia, or standard, is usually your best option. Once this is all saved, your color should look much more natural and consistent, especially indoors or under mixed lighting. So don't forget, if you really want the most accurate colors, just bring a cheap gray card or something like a color checker passport and set your custom white balance. It's that simple.